Looking to explore Japan outside of the usual tourist trail without blowing your budget? In this video, we'll introduce the Setouchi Area Pass, who it's for, why you might want it, and an example itinerary showing how you can recoup the cost in full. But what exactly is the Setouchi area? Located west of Japan, it means the area surrounding Japan's inland sea, known for its spectacular sea views, remote islands, unique cities, and fascinating cultural treasures. With easy access from Kyoto and Osaka, it's a region packed with hidden gems just waiting to be explored. Let's get started. First, coverage. The pass gives you unlimited use of the Japan Railways network surrounding the inland sea, including local, rapid, and limited express, and even Shinkansen trains from Hakata Station in Kyushu all the way to Shin Osaka. One thing to keep in mind though, it doesn't cover the Shinkansen between Shin Osaka and Kyoto, although other JR trains between the two cities are included. It's also accepted on the JR Group-operated Maple Loop tourist buses in Hiroshima and the JR ferry to Miyajima. What sets this apart from other rail passes is that it also covers a few other ferries in the Seto Inland Sea. The Hiroshima-Kure Matsuyama line, which offers a useful and efficient alternative route to travel between Honshu and Shikoku, and the ferries connecting the island of Shodoshima to Okayama and Takamatsu. Additionally, the pass covers the trams in Okayama and the bus to Shin Okayama port. So, how long can you actually use it? The pass is valid for 7 consecutive calendar days. For example, if you start using it on July 1st, you've got it until the end of July 7th at midnight. To use the pass, you'll need to be a foreign passport holder in Japan as a temporary visitor. That means it's not available to Japanese citizens or foreign residents living in Japan. What about the price? The Setouchi Area Pass is 22,000 yen for adults and 11,000 yen for children. And how easy is it to recoup that? Very. It only takes a regular round-trip ticket from Osaka to Matsuyama to make it worthwhile. Let's see what it actually looks like in practice with a 7-day round trip starting and ending in Osaka, with all transportation fully covered by the pass. After spending day 1 in Osaka, on day 2 we hop on a Shinkansen from Shin Osaka Station to Hiroshima. If we like, we can even take a local train to Miyajima-guchi and take the ferry to nearby Miyajima Island. It's all included. On day 3, we take the high-speed ferry to Matsuyama, just 70 minutes across the water. After exploring Matsuyama, on day 4, we'll take a limited express to Takamatsu. From there on day 5, we'll take the ferry out to Shodoshima, one of the largest islands in the Seto Inland Sea. On day 6, we'll take another ferry on to Okayama, and on day 7, our trip comes full circle with a final Shinkansen ride back to Shin Osaka. As you can see from our running total on screen, it's pretty straightforward to make full use of your pass, recoup the cost, and enjoy a fun, well-rounded few days exploring the inland sea region. There are 2 ways to purchase the pass. First, you can buy it online through the JR West website. Once you arrive in Japan, drop by any major JR West station to pick it up. Just remember to bring your reservation number, passport, and the credit card you used when booking. Second, you can go through an authorized travel agent, online or offline. Once purchased, you'll receive an exchange voucher or an exchange QR code. Just bring it and your passport once you're in Japan and exchange it for the actual pass within 90 days at a ticket machine or office. Alright, you've got your pass, now let's talk about how you can use it to make free seat reservations. Shinkansen and limited express trains can get very crowded, especially during busy periods. So it's a great idea to make seat reservations in advance. There are 3 ways to do this. Option 1. If you bought your pass online through the JR West website, you can use their dedicated online seat reservation system, but you'll still need to pick up the physical seat reservation tickets at a ticket machine or office before boarding. Remember, this is only if you bought your pass via the JR West website. Option 2. Use a seat reservation ticket machine at any major station. Tap Reservations, then search for your train and print out your seat ticket. Finally, Option 3. Visit a JR ticket office in person. Note that options 1 and 2 can be used to make a maximum of 6 reservations, and that the ticket office is your only option if you want to make more than 6. By the way, a quick note on luggage. As space is limited on trains, trams, and local buses, we strongly recommend using Japan's excellent luggage forwarding system known as Takuhaibin. This lets you send any bulky bags onto your next destination, allowing you to travel light. The system is straightforward to use, with counters at airports and major stations like Osaka, Hiroshima, and Okayama. You can even drop off or pick up your bags at most hotel front desks and many convenience stores. Another handy service is Croster by the JR West Group. Offered at major stations, Croster provides short and long-term storage options as well as same-day delivery to selected hotels nearby. That means you could, for example, drop your bags at Hiroshima Station in the morning, enjoy a day of hands-free sightseeing, and have your bags waiting for you when you get back to your hotel. Croster also offers a same-day delivery service for your luggage by Shinkansen between Shin Osaka and Hakata stations. We've added a link in the description below for more information. Also, if you're heading out for some sightseeing but still have bags with you, you're almost certainly better off using storage lockers available in different sizes at all major train stations. And that's it for the Setouchi Area Pass, an easy way to see more, spend less, and explore deeper. Want more ideas? Check out Raina's video here. It's full of great spots to add to your trip.